Pasta carbonara. A side dish from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Cook the pasta in a pan of boiling salted water, with a little oil added, for 3 to 5 minutes or until it's tender to the tooth. Step 2. Meanwhile, heat the oil in a frying pan and add the meat. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes, and then add the mushrooms and fry for 3 to 4 minutes more. Turn off the heat and reserve. Lightly beat the eggs and cream together in a bowl. When the pasta is cooked, drain it well and return to the pan. Stir in the meat, mushrooms and any pan juices. Step 4. Pour in the eggs, cream and half the Parmesan cheese. Stir well, and as you do this the eggs will cook in the heat of the pasta. Piled onto warm serving plates, sprinkle with the remaining Parmesan and garnish with basil. Culture, countries, travel.